Pranams to everyone. I am Satya Narayan, astrologer from Chennai. Today I am going to present a small PPT about Nakshatra bird. Before this, I have posted 3 videos about Nakshatra birds. This is a final part, part 4. And in this video, I am not going to talk about the preliminaries, which I have already given in the earlier videos. In this video, I am going to talk about the Nakshatra birds from Moola Nakshatra to Revati Nakshatra. Let us go to the PPT. Nakshatra birds in astrology, part 4. Pranams to my spiritual guru, Sri Chariji Maharaj and Kamalesh Maharaj, my astrology guru, Sri S. Bhaskar, my parents, Sri Lakshmi Narayan and Sri Madi Janaki, my prayers to Lord Ganesha, Kuladevada, Grama Devada, Ishtadevada, and my Pitrus, and pranams to Sri Sunil Jan of Saptarishis Astrology and other astrologers and viewers. This Nakshatra birds list I have taken from Periya Varishadi Nool, which is an ancient classic in Tamil. Here I am giving the birds for each nakshatra in Tamil as well as in English. There are 3 important things in nakshatras. One is trees, then animals, then birds. Trees represents the past, animals represents the present, and birds represents the future. Now we will start. Moola Nakshatra, Chembarundu in Tamil and Brahmini kite in English. This is the bird for Moola Nakshatra. This bird is also worshipped as God Garuda, who is the Vahan for Mahavishnu. Garuda Alvar is also called Periya Tiruvadigal and Lord Hanuman is called Siriya Tiruvadigal. And Garuda is senior brother and Hanumanji is the junior brother, younger brother. It is like this. Garuda took birth in Swadhi Nakshatra, but Chembarundu Brahmini kite is the bird for Moola Nakshatra. Next one is Purvashada Nakshatra. Purvashada Nakshatra bird is Kaudari in Tamil and Grey Francolin in English. Pray goddess Kaudari Amman. This shrine is found in goddess Anna Kamakshi Amman and Lord Masi Periyanna Swami temple, Omandur, Tiruchi. In this temple, there is no idols, only lamps are worshipped and Jodi worship is done in this temple. Here in this temple, a separate shrine is there for goddess Kaudari Amman. Next one is Uttarashada Nakshatra. Uttarashada Nakshatra bird is Valiyan. Valiyan in Tamil, it's a black sparrow, and black Dranko in English and Bimraj in Hindi. Pray Sri Tiruvalliswarar in Tiruvalidayam, Padi, Chennai. There is a sacred water called Bharatwaja Tirtham, and it is a Parigara Sthalam for Jupiter. Sage Bharatwaj, due to some curse, he took birth as Black Sparrow, Valian, and after worshipping Lord Shiva in this temple, he got his curse removed. In this temple, Lord Ganesha or Lord Vinayaka married Kamalai and Vimalai, daughters of Lord Brahma. Arulmigu Meenakshi Sundareswara temple, Madurai. In this temple, Black Sparrow was initiated with Mahamrityunjaya mantra by Lord Shiva, and that sparrow gained strength and became strong. Legend. When Saguna Pandian was ruling Madurai, there lived a black sparrow. In his previous birth, he was a man. Due to his bad deeds, he took birth as Black Sparrow. In Madurai, eagles, crows, and vultures threatened the Black Sparrow, and the Black Sparrow went to the nearby forest and lived without any enemies. One day, Lord Shiva devotee was sitting under the tree, told the passengers who went nearby the greatness of Madurai temple, God and goddesses and Tirtham. Immediately, the Black Sparrow went to Madurai, and after due prayers, took bath in the temple and had the darshan of Goddess Meenakshi and God Sundareswara for 3 days continuously. At that time, the sparrow told to give enough strength and courage to fight against his enemies. So Lord Shiva gave that sparrow Mahamrityunjaya mantra, and the sparrow, after chanting, became very strong and valiant bird. Next is Shravana Nakshatra or Thiruvona Nakshatra. Thiruvona Nakshatra bird is Narai in Tamil, stork or crane in English. Pray Sri Siddhanadeswarar in Siddhanadeswarar temple, Tirunarayur, Nachiyar Koil, Tamil Nadu. Curse was given to 2 sages by a sage Durvasa to become Narai. Narai means crane, and those Narais, the saints prayed in the form of crane, prayed in this temple and got the curse removed. Great Siddhar Horakar did penance here. This is the legend. As per the Sthala Purana, 2 rishis named Naran and Narayana had performed penance here. As they did not pay any attention when sage Durvasa visited this temple, this angered sage Durvasa, and he cursed that both of them will turn into birds. Crane. Both of them sought pardon from sage Durvasa and worshipped Lord Shiva here in the form of birds. Lord Shiva restored them to their original forms. as praying Narai in Tamil, worshipped the Lord here. This place gets the name Narayur. In corridor, there is a beautiful relief depicting Naran and Narayanan worshipping the Lord. Next is Dhanishta Nakshatra. Dhanishta Nakshatra, there is no bird, it is only insect is mentioned. That insect is called Ponvandu in Tamil and jewel beetle in English. Pray to Lord Sri Ponvandu Ayyanar in Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu. God Ponvandu Ayyanar Swami is another form of God Shasta. Next one is Sadhabiksha Nakshatra. Sadhabiksha Nakshatra bird is Andam Kakai in Tamil and Jungle Crow in English. Pray to goddess Dhumavati. Goddess Dhumavati will be always in burial ground or in crematorium. So he is also called Masana Kali. Else pray goddess Angala Parameswari Melmanenu Tamil Nadu. In this Angala Parameswari temple, every year a festival will be celebrated in a burial ground where they used to spread all the vegetables and fruits and other things, and the devotees used to conduct the prayers. Dhumavati temple is also present in Kasi, Bihar and in Gauhati near Kamakaya. Next one is Purva Bhadra Nakshatra. Purva Bhadra Nakshatra bird is Bullan in Tamil, sandpiper in English. Bullan is a very small bird, very small bird, very small. It is smaller than sparrow. Okay, it lives near mostly near water sources. So I don't know any temple representing this Ullan bird. I have searched, but since it lives near water course, I have taken Lord Jambugeswaran. Jambugeswaran is Lord Shiva. Pray Lord Jambugeswaran, Thiruvannaikkaval, Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu. It is one among the 5 Panjabhuta Sthalam for Lord Shiva, water element Sthalam. Next one is Uttarabhadrapada Nakshatra. Uttarabhadrapada Nakshatra bird is Kotan in Tamil, rock-horned owl in English. Pray goddess Mahalakshmi. In Indian mythology, owl is the vehicle, Vahana of goddess Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Next one is Revati Nakshatra. Revati Nakshatra bird is Valluru in Tamil, falcon in English. Pray to Lord Arunachaleswara. Since this bird is mostly connected with Lord Agni, Lord Arunachaleswara of Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu will bring good results for Revati Nakshatra. Tiruvannamalai is the Sthalam, sacred place for Agni Sthalam. Even if you think of Tiruvannamalai, you will get mukti, liberation. Okay. Revati is the last nakshatra of the zodiac and it represents moksha. Shyana is divine heart and it is an attribute of Agni who brings divine nectar, Soma, to earth, so it revitalizes the earth. Shyana and Suparna both refer to the eagle and the falcon hawk. In Sadapada Brahmana, a Vedic fire altar in the form of falcon is described. This is the diagram of Vedic altar in the form of eagle represented in Sadapada Brahmana. Thank you. Om Tat Sat.